It is a myth to believe that you need a lot of product in order to do your makeup. So today we're using only 5 products to do my entire face and achieve this look. The things we're using today are a foundation, a concealer, an eyebrow tool, a contour palette, and finally mascara. I always start my makeup with doing my eyebrows. So that's what I'm going to do. It's crazy because the value of everything that I am using on my face right now is less than $100. So yes, with less than $100, you're able to do your entire face and still look fabulous. You just have to pick and choose product that you can use differently on different areas on your face. So the eyebrow tool that I'm using today is the pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's an amazing pomade because it doesn't smudge, it stays the entire day, and it looks like it's the right color. It's not too dark, not too orange, and it gives a natural look. So it's a must-have in my kit. The concealer that I'm using today is from Maybelline. It's the Infallible color 06. The color of my eyebrow pencil was chocolate. So now I'm making sure that my eyebrows look snatched and look good. Not because I'm not using a lot of product doesn't mean that it won't look good. So we're making it look good. Excuse me because I don't see without my glasses. So if you see me just go like this, it's because usually I wear glasses and it's super hard for me to see. So sometimes when I do my makeup, I think that I'm doing something amazing, and then I put on my glasses and then surprise, it's not straight. It happens to me all the time. So now that I am done with my eyebrows, I'm going on with my foundation. This foundation is a little bit too light for me. Usually I mix it with a darker foundation. However, since we're only using 5 products today, we'll make it work with the contour palette. So, and I won't use too much. That's one of the little tricks that I do. I don't use too much so it doesn't look weird on my face. So this is it. I use the color 330 for this foundation. And here, 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 here. The first layer is going to be really thin. Then I'm using the Anaivi makeup brushes in order to brush my foundation on my face. I know that there are so many products in pharmacies and available to us, so sometimes we're lost on what to use, what to buy. Do we need everything? But if you have the basics, and depending on what look you want to achieve, you don't have to have a lot of products. Especially if you want to have a natural look, you just have to decide what kind of look you want, what kind of look you like. Is it more of a dewy look? Is it more of a matte look? And make it work. Is it your everyday look? So now this is great. I'll use the concealer again under my eyes. Like this, and blend with my beauty blender. Today we're not baking because we don't have a powder, technically. So it's okay. This look is going to be a medium coverage look. It's not going to be too much because we don't want to have this cakey look. We want to have that natural glow, that natural look, and not use too many products on our face. Since we don't have a primer, we're going to use the concealer as an eye primer just to neutralize the eyelid. Okay. So I still see my dark spots under my eyes and I like to cover them, so we'll add another layer. In the meantime, we'll go to the palette. So this is the third thing that we're using on the fourth item that we're using on our face. Wait, let's count together. So we had the concealer, the foundation, the eyebrows. Okay, so now the eyeshadow palette. Not eyeshadow, the contour palette. This is a must-have, especially if you don't want to have a lot of items in your kit. If you just want to stick to only 4 things. I also offer evaluation of your kit, so if that's something you're interested in, you can look in the description just to make sure that everything that you have in your kit, it aligns with your needs. So now I'll use the contour colors on my lid and create like the, not a smoky eye effect, but more of a, just add some shadows in my eyes. So the colors that I'm using right now is débutante, which means beginner. So it all fits together. I really like this because I've had a lot of people saying they don't know what to do with everything that they have in their makeup kit. They don't have a lot of things, but with small things you can achieve great things. You don't need a lot of things. Lucky for us, in this palette there's like a little bit of highlight, so not a little bit, there is highlight. So we'll use this in the inner corner of our eyes just to make our eyes stand out like this. Yes, and it gives that natural glow as well. So you don't really need eyeshadow depending on what you want to do. Yes, guys, this looks amazing. I'm not even done. And with the, oh, we have to add some highlight under our eyebrow or brow. Yeah, our eyebrows. Yes, like this. Honestly, look at this. Okay, so now I'll blend under my eye. And having the right tools is really important. You need to know what is important in your kit. Having great brushes is important. Having great palette is really important, especially if you're starting and depending on your budget as well. So now I'll contour my face using the same palette. Since my forehead is darker than my face, I'm focusing here with the darker shades. Okay. Yes. And then I'll set my face with the lighter shades. Especially under my eyes, since I won't bake, but I'm still going to set it so my foundation stays longer. Okay. Just for you today, I'm going to use mascara, but usually I prefer to use false lashes, even natural lashes, because I don't like removing my mascara. However, if you're starting and you're not used to wearing false lashes and you still want to, I like the effect of mascara, I just don't like mascara itself. Okay, and I'll use a little bit of the color that I used on my eyes underneath my eyes as well. So this color is Fabulous. Okay, so today I used Débutante on my eyes, my eyelid. I used Fabulous on my eyelid as well. Then Blogger and Donut on my face, and Big Bang and Mirage, those two, in the inner corner and under my eyebrows. Yes. Okay, and now we'll use the highlight on my nose. I just realized that I didn't choose any lipstick, but it's fine because I know that a lot of you guys don't use lipstick. That would be my 6th item. No, today we're not wearing lipstick then. But someone want, oh, but moisturizer is not a lipstick, so we can use that. Okay, can you see the glow? Yeah, I think you can. So now we'll put on mascara. Today I'm using the L'Oreal Paris 2 sides Faux/Fiber. And one thing to have great long lashes is really to take our time. So I'll fast forward this and show you how long it takes. Then on the other side, okay. So voila, I'll just add some moisturizer on my lips. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to like this video, just so I know that this type of content you like it. And you can watch another video on this channel. I have this one that I think you might be interested in, so you can just click on this and enjoy the ride. So I'll see you in my next video.